Can me go come to you now, Jennifer, before me come off here. I go over your page and doing to watching my live. I see somebody make a comment. I'm a screenshot it so you can't bother rub it out back. So, when you did buy the ticket for go, good morning Queen, when you did buy the ticket for go at the award or the meet and greet, and when you find out say baga, somebody act to say if you are going, you say you're not going, hell no, you're not going baga event. Let me tell you something, Jennifer. You need to stop. You need to think, you need to stop. Because when you did buy the ticket, you know say a Dana. And you know say anything we know Dana. So why now you buy your ticket and you go talk about say you don't go baga event? Why you do it? Why you do it? You need to stop. Nobody never send you for buy no ticket. I'm going to tell you already, you don't lose because you did get 2 portions of pudding. Plus, you use the woman content for years and you must make $400. $400 must be $19. You must make that. So therefore, you don't lose anything. For the time when you did use our content and the extra portion of pudding, call it a day. You love the baga. Because if you never love baga, you would used to go in a phone and send blogger things about blogger and you love the baga. And if you never love the baga, come here, Jennifer. Come here. You know me not so like you know. But me I gonna hear the truth. If you never did love the baga, you would have never know say one man live in Jamaica with the woman and I take a front to carry it down. They go give you love the baga. Cause once you take woman man a baga you love because you know the woman can come defend them man wicked and serious. So you like the baga. Once you take young and panta pipe, you're the younger girl for Manica. Once you take Manica man, you love the baga. A baga you love. Lorraine said she have no problem with Dana. More than one time a year, Lorraine said she have no problem with Dana. The planka them, she have no problem with Dana. She's here to fight corruption and how Dana treat the people them. That's what she's there for. I'm saying what Lorraine said. And not only Lorraine Tina who have problem with Dana charity. They had problem with it. How do we? The way, because I want to be mutual when me attack. I want to be mutual. Lorraine say, and the others, Tina and all of who them not like that. Okay, them not like Dana this, them not like. But why gone in so wait, she not supposed to survive? She not supposed to survive, so wait. Miss Phoenix and not charity and not donation. Miss Phoenix go down there. That's the woman job. That's the woman promotion. So why have a problem with it? Why it have to be a topic? And me get to understand say over me tell them I now watch nobody 3 hours and let me go draw down the line. Me get to understand say it's over 3 hours. How scamming coming at the woman promotion? How scamming coming at it? It was charity. How you reaching at the woman promotion? So you definitely a take set and a ride the woman. That not have nothing to do with charity. Oh, Miss Phoenix reaching a charity. And that's out of order. That's not mischievous. That's out of order. That's not mischievous. Me hear the man when name Bob tell you say wanna feel let go and down because Bob see where I go come and Bob said there's nothing. I see Bob see where I go come. And Bob said there's nothing. You cannot do that, man. Lorraine, you might not obligated to like her, but to do her so, no. That no have nothing because this woman have never, and when me go talk, me know why me clap Tina so. If Tina never meet Danette over here, I would never contact those people in Canada. You know, if Tina never pass herself over here, I see if Tina and Danette that say, me know her man and this, but how Tina want to take picture and them something, and that's when me had was to fling out house and something. I never want to go there with Tina. I could understand if Miss D do you something personal. Me can understand if Miss D do you something personal. And yeah, do that, me would have, but the lady don't do you anything, Lorraine. You know how long I watch a life in Miss D? The woman can't do a lot. Miss Lorraine the pan live and went to you look at Dana come on, you see the ping. Teach it. Why you do Lorraine, why you do that? So what she not for eat, she not for provide for Joshy. Well, I mean, look, Lorraine, do you, if you not like her, leave her, you know? But why? Then make me ask you same thing, you know. So is a ticket RT did want. After last night, me see me love. Say I go sue people. Hey. Me only let me tell you something. To me, I find it funny. To me, I find it funny. Very an RT make a cuss bad word because you want a decent twangy one, you know. I could never believe that you're Jamaican. I could never believe that you're Jamaican. You want a twangy one RT make a cuss bumbo clat, it's serious. It's why I don't know if I say, I don't know, because I say, where this woman could have do make this girl now and give this woman a break. She said she come to fight down charity and corruption. And see big RT take people come out and say in a day and no more, but yet still in the fly. Me don't understand this girl. The woman can do her promotion, make the woman make her honest bread. Joshie have to eat. If Joshie have to eat, have little limit and little conscience. Woman to woman, man, Joshie have to eat. Make sure make Joshie school fee. Education is the key. Have a hard panel, she have to pay a little water to wash her front. Cause the way you wanna go up underneath her and call her front. That's why I tell her something at the end of the day, big and serious. You see, if Dana pity them don't got the award, I don't wrong them. Sure, I don't wrong them because they say them don't know who is who, and if Jamaican can do her mother so, me never go neither. I don't wrong them. Let me tell you something, people. Them know me for that. You see which part my work? You see true me know. Oh, let me tell you something. I some dangerous people. Me walk around. Let me tell you, say them dangerous pan them tongue. Them not have no exception. They not have no mercy. So you see no Christmas, no breakfast, nothing, no day pass, nothing in the present. I used to one time when they find out like them have a problem with it, I mean on I'm from nobody. Nobody na care, nothing come give me. Me no am nothing, me no a pipe water. Well now let me drink pipe water, me a strictly pipe water. I'm a cup in my bag. Come let me tell you something, say son. Dangerous and all the man then too. Then dangerous. When me tell you say then dangerous, then vicious, then dangerous, then vicious. Bad. Pan them 14. I'm gonna tell you what me live. You see one time when I have nothing any time and then not see me and then talk. Me say, oh. But you need to reflect. You come here, let's find something, tell them. Me have to look after my kids. Not go so sometimes, you know, coming on a problem for my, I have no problem with from the day me and my picking them. Daycare center, my granny, all the last one in fall, me have no problem with me picking them. None. And one day them have a problem with it. I say them pay, they say them go play a day pass or something. But just look upon them and say, me tell you something. Me not eat with my enemy. Me not eat with the enemy. Big and serious. You can't find me certain place. You're not obligated for like the woman, but remember, Joshie have to eat. Make sure make Joshie food money. Nobody now sabotage you from your grandson. Make Joshie eat, because if anything happen, we come out and say bad to bad, we not like you, but we stand up for the liquor. Me personally turn up for the grandpicnic. So good God, have a heart pan Joshie. She not do charity now. She not collect nobody money. The woman collect like food money, who not go say our new way of scamming. How it gonna be our new way of scamming? You don't have a problem. And already people them don't have a problem with it, because you say food no life is hard. You don't want nobody get nothing. Like how you say you to go sell bag juice and sell himself alcohol. When me hear you say something to myself, so that's it. Jesus Christ, the poor boy that reach pension age and reach college. Why you stay so? And I don't care when I don't talk, because I done this live I'm not about, so you can make live over there and I don't care. That was the reason why you stay so. You can send your $20 and your $30 out of your pocket to poor sheets. It's a $10 and $20 can for the people. And all the time I done a people and them always want to come on board. All the time, sometimes Dana don't want to do anything, and them always want to go on board. And you have a problem, and because of that, enough time to be fair. Because I not take up for nobody, and I not defend nobody, but people plenty time Dana the pan our life. All when Dana tell the people, you see, all when the bus ride and the people they make it so big. All when Dana tell them no send, they still a send. Even when time because Dana we say alright, she get the money, and when the people them go write the Zell, let's stick and go write off. So sometimes you hear Dana come out and say she get $100 in the morning, you hear she say she get $150 because what? The people them go watch the dead, go and still send money to the Zell and the cash up. I'm keep on asking. Me don't hear Lorraine even do a cartoon. You did get cartoon 28,000. I know me see Lorraine have our platform, and me not see Lorraine take one picnic. As bad as not do like her. Tina take up 2, even though she take out some of the money and go for her vacation. Tina take up 2 help. Me not see Lorraine ever help nobody on them platform. The only somebody get help off a Lorraine platform a cartoon. Me not see Lorraine come from Waterhouse and from the ghetto. Lorraine did over Capture and a Portmore, and Lorraine know about all about from the ghetto. But nobody not all nobody said, and me take up my food last night. Me take up my food last night. And give to my neighbor for him eat last night, because I know say him and somebody will eat enough. For him eat last night and can't go work. And God for baby. I over fault. Because I could have take out some, you know. I over fault. I over fault. When somebody give nobody not breaking anybody. Lorraine need to stop because stop to them same thing, yeah. Nobody now say you have to stop talk about Dana. Just say Dana do not wrong, but all Dana promotion work and that they come here see over 3 hours. The live never necessary Lorraine. And you cannot be a blogger and you have said Dana not talk about people. And this you know, you have said Dana not talk about people how the always see Dana style and Dana not this, but yet till you come out and not talk about food. We don't talk about food. We not talk about food. And how you say your mother used to feed people and them. Me don't know about you, me know about family granny. We not talk about food. Me say my grandmother cook food. And when the food done, all that woman do, all me used to eat it too. I find them type some ton meal with coconut milk in it. And the gravy. Everybody I eat the big food and the big meat. And the two we sit down and eat it. Me used to like, yes man. Yeah man. When the meat done, I saw me see my grandmother go all the time. Give a fair food. And then later I eat ton meal and fried dumpling or something with the gravy. You ever food? You can't do lie about food. That's for sure. You make people make it. You make people think so you're not used to nothing. We not talk about food. We not talk about food. I make the woman make look food money for Joshua man. Good God man. Have a heart for people pick me man. The woman pick me up to eat, man. Make it woman make look water for washing front, for campaign front, for water for washing front, and making campaign phone bill. In bill think can come per life for you get content. Make sure do that in peace. Somebody can't see the woman promotion you have a problem with. Then you can talk about food. We don't talk about food. She don't only chat too much, Lorraine too petty. We don't talk about food. Food. Then you can get content to make content. That's how do. And then you should have did know that because I don't have somebody will spend money. So them who no hungry Jerry live with him baby mother. So and how much food Joshua go eat? Joshua not a cook food person. Look how much tired you're done at the part live. You see Dana cook. And Joshua la call the same man them is a Jerry. If you come carry Joshua go eat burger or something. No man, do better than that man. You're not obligated for like her and nobody not tell you to stop and talk about the woman private business. You say you talk about scamming. The woman private life and the woman promotion, Lorraine, you cross the line when you go there so. You cross the line when you go there so. And that's not blogging no more. That's text setting and bullying. You there cross the line. And the wickedest thing, I don't know me make sure call on you because I'm not afraid of her. I'm not afraid of nobody. The wickedest thing, Michelle. I don't know if Michelle tell you about your Bob come past social media, come ball and tell you to leave it alone. Where the thing that would leave the woman alone, at least leave her promotion them alone. Allow them make the woman eat, make Josh eat. She not do charity, she am look her own. She am make her own. She a do good God, man. She not do charity no more. She a try to make her own bread and she have a little baby with her. So make her little son can eat. Jamaica hard. Make sure if you can pay him school fee and buy him book. Come in and tell us you no little book for me, mama buy for me and for me sister. And let me tell us something, say it never easy. So me can imagine then for now. It not easy. It never easy. And you see, this is why I tell us educate. Because you see, baby, if you would go to school and you would have a better understanding. I saw it. And I saw it a year, man, a plane. Make the woman have a child we have to face tomorrow. People are watching mother. You would have liked to know so them start bullying the little boy. No wonder the lady said him picnic at prep school. For your picnic go they go talk, oh no got people yard go near mass people food. Lorraine, you think about that? You don't like nobody, the little boy go to school and then go start tease the little picnic now and say, you think about that? That's not charity. That's not corruption. RT and you they are fine where you should have did see RT charity RT scamming and you don't see it. But you see that's a promotion what you do. That's unfair. Only if you go on better. And if you no can't be good, left the woman make the woman feed him picnic. She not perfect, but tell her that every time. And now come out here come polish her. Dana is not perfect. But does Dana deserve one of the two or no? Give the woman a break, make she do her promotion and make her picnic eat. One box bread and butter out of the woman who not try it in every way. I couldn't tell the last time I go over there and go watch one life in Dana. And the woman gone doing promotion and you go, what would you get so much time pound and till you get some if then the content you run out of for the woman. The woman gone there with her crew gone near about the people them food. No man, that pass the you're out order on the part. You're out of order. No left food no do you woman. That not have nothing to do with charity. That not have nothing to do with charity. That not have nothing to do with corruption. Because I don't understand how you want to fight corruption where you go to Jamaica when corruption is reach and the day you do where you couldn't fight it. When corruption is do reach and the day for your way, you couldn't fight for your case of corruption. But you can't fight for other people's case of corruption. You need to can fight what you're supposed to can defend and challenge what you when you're corruption. Boy, pass obsession for you, man. I don't know if I call this. Somebody can get up and give somebody a break. That's the part about it because to say you come out every day and you're hey, you know when me know Lorraine dangerous? Mighty God, hey, let me tell you something, man. Me I go tell you when me know Lorraine dangerous. And when Lorraine come out here come ball saying the plane and then nearly take it and ball. Hey, Lorraine no easy, you know? Me say no, sir. Lorraine for loud the woman make the woman do your talk about scamming and something, and if you say she do something on the right, it's okay you go talk about her promotion, man. You can't take that out tight, man. Take the woman bread and butter out tight. Take it out tight. You can't wanna take set for no man and so petty. You no can't want, and I know only Lorraine alone, man. I say this in general, but because I know all of them when I want the woman can't fart in peace. Why all you concerned? Tell us something. I'm not concerned about Dana. I'm talking in general. When we don't talk, me talk and gone. Me not concerned about Dana. Like some concerned for say the right is right and wrong is wrong. We talk when we say we one another do anything. Lorraine said she's fighting charity, she's fighting corruption and scamming. Now the woman, me not understand the comment, they make it fast because I don't know you. So therefore, why I'm just saying, why you can't make the lady take her money on her promotion to make her pick to go to school? And when you sit down for your life and talk those things, what about when the picnic go to school and then go tease him and send him off the food? Because you know picnic stay, picnic mother stay. Me I tell you, you have to be very careful with social media. You have to be very, very careful. So when the picnic them ears say, in them off the food and start teasing at school. And she's supposed to can work her money for herself. And uno call her scammer, she make her honest bread. So you can't walk up and down and follow the woman and drag down them business. Why she can't swear? Make I tell you something, people, and me no care when me talk. Me no care when me talk. And me I go talk this before me left, cause no girl, no boy can jump on me. Me not afraid of nobody lyrically or physically. And but sometimes I don't even hear the thing them fi address them. You see that Michelle Bradshaw there? You see that Michelle Bradshaw there? She going to be Lorraine downfall. And let me tell you something. I know everything me they go come out, come contact. People me I tell you no. Lorraine find out. Hey, when you hear me talk things out here because Lorraine know. But Lorraine a play. Lorraine is just dear. Let me tell you how Lorraine say. Lorraine daring. I dare you. It's a dare you game. Lorraine a play with Dana. Let me tell you no this. And take it from me. When me tell you take it from me. Michelle now walk and a lie. You hear all the time when the CPS case people. Lorraine don't know which part Michelle live. Michelle a put Lorraine and I bet you me hear he say he need to go give Lorraine liar money. Face I hope you put on the money because now him a ball out and I said that I can't sue. Michelle, Lorraine don't even have an address to Michelle, you hear? And when you hear Michelle talk on social media, say, oh, when it happened, she and Lorraine was on phone and Lorraine talk. People, take it from me. Take it from me. No, go so. No go so, but let me tell you something, and I not take up for Lorraine. Lorraine believe in a Michelle, and then the way you see all when time them for good on a New York people, a whole heap of thing, but I not talk because I said the same when me out here clap Lorraine for talk out of that show. A whole heap of things they go on. It's a home care work Michelle I do and she do everything while Lorraine for send the care. People, take it from me. Take it from me. Hey, I not say anything, but me can tell you say that Michelle Bradshaw they the one that, oh, when you see Tina sister care, we don't even know. Cause Michelle over there fight political asylum. Michelle is very like Michelle. Hey people, who did hear the live when Michelle say when she and Lorraine hey Lorraine nearly faint. Lorraine nearly faint. Oh, who no take it from me? That Michelle Bradshaw, Lorraine would go in long time and Michelle Bradshaw have Lorraine out here. We are tell her say she go give her money and she work, but Lorraine should know by now say Michelle do a work on a damn liar. And Michelle no live no well like myself, yeah. All for me 10th of a address. Cause all the woman send the cake come here, you could give the woman your address when them fi meet up a New Year. Then she lie. Just as festive, you could talk with you go out of town. Then he come back and say the reason why Michelle come back and say the reason why she never meet up at because festive they as much as I don't like festive because festive cause all these bang around out here lie you tell. Lie you they tell, lie you telling, lie. You could not go, Kayad was to look after the patient, but you don't do the poor Italian man. I find her first she talk to the patient, but she talk, then when her patient she married to and man dead before she and she fight political asylum. Now what, so I don't know what I go on like about. Michelle too damn and Michelle have Lorraine out here because she want platform for drink and junk and talk pan. But I hope when judgment morning come because I say bad to bad and the other day mislead what me say and in cuss and in galang I don't care because I know what I said and what it based upon what you bad to bad I hear Bob talk to Lorraine and live and evil cry. She are the one who have Lorraine out here. And Lorraine find it fun. And Lorraine find it but I hope when judgment morning come. Cause nobody can take no set part nobody past social media so. Mighty God don't forget the woman a break. One God in the woman private life. All things on the past social media. Good God of gracious, give the woman a break, the whole away a woman. Nobody not obligated for like nobody, but nobody not for do nobody. So every day, 365 days of the year, and the wickedest thing, every morning party, Lorraine keeping morning devotion. And when Lorraine a keeping morning devotion, all 12 or 16 people over there went to Shako. The one only for go over there go cry for peace and tell her to stop it. Keep morning devotion and at night you come and tear down one woman wicked. Jesus Christ, may God have mercy upon us all. And we people, may I go run along. Bless upon yourself.